There is nothing stating that you have to replace your systems. That's known as a scare tactic.
Well, we have a consumer alert for you tonight. Dealing with home air conditioners. At the start of the year, Freon stopped being produced in the United States. So our Jim Lefkoe found out what this means for you.
With the recent ban on Freon going into effect, older air conditioning units like this one are being replaced by newer, more expensive models like this one.
There is a good portion of customers who they've never heard of it before.
Most older units, those that were installed before 2010, use Freon as a refrigerant. Because of the effect Freon has on the ozone layer, it can no longer be made or imported to the United States. The ozone layer is important because it protects us from ultraviolet radiation, which can cause skin cancer.
The ozone is starting to return. You know, the hole is starting to reduce in size, so that's due to what we're doing now.
Puron is the environmentally friendly refrigerant being used in place of Freon, or R-22 as it's called, in new cooling systems.
Knowing that I could go above and beyond and actually be using something that is more environmental friendly and is the way the future's going anyway, it meant a lot.
Mary Pavlik had a new system installed that won't hurt the ozone layer.
That's where we access the refrigerant.
If you do have an older system, Jonathan Unfried suggests getting it inspected.
They're like a human body. You know, the longer they work and the harder they work, the more problems they tend to have.
While Freon has been banned, there's still stockpiles of the refrigerant available locally. Jim Lefkoe, News 4, San Antonio.
Now, we should note here the Freon ban does not affect cooling systems in vehicles.